What's up guys, welcome back to Taj World. If you're new to the channel, then like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification button. In today's video, we have a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw NBA Youngboy. The first step is creating a new document. I recommend creating a 1080 by 1080 file for best results for when posting to Instagram. Once you created the document, you should make a new brush. Select calligraphy if you have a pen. Then set the size to 3, select pressure, then change the variation to 3. As you can see, your strokes now look more sleek and sharp rather than blocky like this. By now you should have your reference picture pasted. By double-clicking your reference layer, you can view the options and dim your image. Now lock the layer to avoid any mishaps. Then you can start creating your line art. This is the most essential part of the design, so take your time. Once you finish your line art, you can start filling in your color. Start by selecting your rectangle tool, then create a box around your line art. After you do so, then send your shape to the back by using Ctrl left bracket or Command left bracket. If you have done this correctly, then you should see your line art in front of your shape. Now hold your layer and drag it to the new layer icon to duplicate it. Now lock your original layer, select everything, then go to the object menu and click Expand Appearance. Then you go and merge everything using the Pathfinder tool. The skin is now in sections so you can change the eye color, skin color, and etc. shout out to the producers at Breezy Beats and Smosh Haze. Their links will be in the description. Go check them out, they got fire beats, and go follow Tosh Studios on Instagram. If you're interested in buying a design, then visit my website at tosh-arts.com. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Tosh World.